sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't.
मजा आया? तो इंजीनियरिंग शुरू करें? We have optical breadboards in our lab and it is expensive. It is expensive because it is made up of aluminium, sometimes stainless steel, and we need optical breadboards for precise experiments like interferometry, optical optomechanics, and other optical measurements which are actually very sensitive to change in temperature or change in mechanical constraints. But there are experiments which are not so sensitive, and if we want to conduct those experiments in our room and in a budget, we can do in a way. So in this video we are making optical breadboards out of there are two pathways. One pathway is using the 3D printer and the brass inserts. Second pathway is using acrylic sheets or plastic sheets. Now acrylic sheets are actually expensive in online market, so what we did was that we chose exam boards which are transparent. We bought two exam boards, drilled holes into it, and then inserted the brass insert using a soldering iron. Here in this video we can see we have designed it in Onshape, then we sliced the model and then printed using Ender 3 printer. After printing, what we did was that we drilled it. So in the design the hole diameter was fixed, but still there are some tolerances, so we had to drill it once more, and then using a soldering iron we inserted the brass inserts. Problem with this plastic or acrylic made optical boards is that it is not mechanically stable, it is not stiff, so sensitive experiments may cause hamper. But on the pro side or on the advantage, we get very cheap optical breadboards, and also we can do it at home. It is lightweight, so it can be used for lightweight experiments like UAV and all. You can see all the specification on the screen, and that's how we do it. So these are the two types of optical breadboards that we can use, and in the future video what we can do is that we can try doing some optical experiments over this breadboard. So if you like it, please subscribe to Science in a Cup, and bye bye, see you in next video. Ta-da!